A psychometric chart is a physical representation of thermal properties. It is in a graphical format. It is used to design air conditioning system of a space. So there are various factors to derive an psychometric chart. Those mainly are: first, the dry bulb temperature; second, the wet bulb temperature; third, dew point temperature; fourth, relative humidity; fifth, humidity ratio; sixth, enthalpy; and seventh is the specific volume. There are various methods to show all the factors into the graph. There are the methods being: the first, the psychometric chart is basically having an x-axis and the y-axis. The x-axis shows the dry bulb temperature and the y-axis shows the relative humidity W. There is a saturation curve joining the x and y-axis. Vertical lines represent the dry bulb temperature in an psychometric chart. For WBT, that is wet bulb temperature, again there is x-axis and y-axis having a saturation curve, and for x-axis represents the DBT and y-axis represents the specific humidity. So wet bulb temperature is represented in diagonal lines into the psychometric chart. The third part is specific humidity. The third factor in psychometric chart is the dew point ratio. This is again the x-axis and the y-axis, and this is the saturation curve. The dew point curve is shown with horizontal lines into the psychometric chart. The fourth factor being the relative humidity curve. The fourth factor in psychometric graph is the humidity ratio. It is shown similar to dew point curve and it has horizontal lines equally spaced, so as we can know humidity ratio from this graph. The fifth factor being the relative humidity. In this we can see these curved lines into the graph which help us understand the relative humidity of a particular space. Now we are going to read one typical psychometric graph and understand how unknown values can be derived using known values. Now in case if in this chart we can see the x-axis, y-axis and the saturation curve. Now take an example where we know the dry bulb temperature of a room. Let's say it is marked on this point of the x-axis. If we want to find the WBT, that is wet bulb temperature, we have to pull a straight line directly on the saturation curve. Take an horizontal line to the y-axis, and this is the point, say point A. It is known as WBT of that room, and it can be derived using it is the intersection point where we can derive the WBT. So from this example it is very clear that psychometric chart can be used to derive unknown values of air conditioning design system using the known values given in the problems or the real solution or the real life example. Thank you.